Hi guys, today we'll be walking the dog. Come on. Whoa, Pele, whoa. Give me a chance. Can't open the door because I'm holding the camera and I'm holding the dog. So we're only taking Pele around the house because I can't open the door. He's a strong one. Pele. Just give him some exercise because he hasn't had a walk in a couple of days. Poor dog. And it's all because of my dad. He's not really doing it. So, poor Pele. Yeah, this is my mum's dog. My 3 dogs are just doing original things. Oh my god, come on. There's a golden retriever, pretty around there. Right, you want to go out, don't you? Look, if I'm just like, come on. Look, if I go around here, I'll say, come on, back there.
Taught herself to walk again, but your struggle with the benefit system has left her through.
He literally pulled me until I'm on the ground. So, yeah, we're not going this way. Come on. A long time ago, I was walking him down the stairs, and he made me do a front flip down. Come on. Like I'm just like taking the horse or something. Pretty's over there, but she's asleep. Whoa. Hey, come on. Pretty's asleep. Hello. Yeah, that is definitely. What do you want to do? I can show you some tricks. Pele. Pele. Sit. Good boy. He always does what he wants. Sometimes. Pele, look. Pele, look at me. Hello. Oh, that's not a way to call a dog. The way to call some sort of cat. Pele. Meow. Meow. Yeah, he hates cats. So he normally listens. Meow. Meow. I should probably sound more realistic. I can. I'm really good. Meow. 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 Pele, you're not going yet. Stand. Come on. Boy, now look, Pele. Pele, look at me. Look at me. Pele, look, sit. 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 So, yeah. High five. High five. High five. Pele. Oh my god, he's too busy looking at the door, thinking, when will I go out? But you can't go out yet.
I can't change the channel.
Put it that way. Come on.
I can't change the channel. Right.
Put the light on, shall we? Come here. Hello, look. Pele, sit.
I wasn't wearing a seatbelt.
Pele. No, Jim. Pele, look.
I had the tiniest wee bit of air, I get the tiniest wee bit of air, I didn't have no lungs, and I can remember I had the cough. And
You're tired.
If I cough, I'm dead. If I lose,
He's pulling me. You're going bump. Wow, you want to go walkies? Eh? Hello, look. No, you're not licking the good idea to wash the phone, but no. Right, come on. You want to go in the sitting room, yeah? Me recording, by the way. He's a nightmare. Come on. He's refusing, so I'm going to skip it until he actually can. He's finally coming now. I'm really teasing him. And when we go back, he's just going to pull me over. Oh my god, I'm on the floor nearly. Right. Now this is one of the strongest dogs in the world. He's a crossbreed. He's a Dalmatian. He's a Dalmatian cross Rottweiler. Pele, look. Look at the phone. Pele, look at the phone. Sit. He can do high fives and paws, but nah. He's too busy wanting to go outside. I'm sure Dad will take you when he gets back. He just keeps pulling me all over the place. Look up, look down, look up, look down, look up, look around. Okay, you alright? Breathe. Pele, look. La 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 la. Pele, look. Up, up, up. Pele. Whoa. Almost. Come on. Ride the horsey on. I might be getting a horse soon. I don't know. Pele. Come on.
Black and white statements.
Taking him out.
Oh, you're gonna go back? Can you run?
She took him out before.
Ooh, you can do that. No, no dancing. Pele, sit. Sit. Pele, sit. Sit. Sit down. Aww. So that'll be the end of the video today, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, go comment and see if Pele's cute or not. He's my mum's dog. I wanted to walk him, but well, I can't open the door, couldn't I? No, so I had to walk him around the house, and yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye 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 bye.